All right, now so let's go ahead and allow the user, or allow the admin, sorry, to go ahead and change the status of the orders. So the current status of the current status for all of these orders right there, it's processing, right? And this is the default status. So we want to change it to something like delivered or on the way, stuff like that, to make this like more real world. All right. So I want to go right here, and it will actually go to another page, and this page will be a form in it, and we will update this. So it will just be a simple update form. It's not going to take that much. Well, if we go to the web, and if we want to go right there, and if we want to copy this and paste it like that, all right, so this will be edit dash orders like that, and I want to go to a function, and I want to go edit orders like that, and this will go to orders dot edit. All right, so save this. Let's copy edit orders, and let's go to the admin's controller. Let's go at the bottom and paste. Let's copy this function and paste it like that. So copy this and paste. All right, so orders right there, we will just go to another form, and that will actually be everything. We'll actually yeah, we want to send in the ID. Yeah, we want to send it right there, so we can know to which order that we're trying to edit. All right, so it's just go/ID like that, and if we go back right here, we should pass in some kind of ID. All right, so we should go, for example, we can pass in the data to simply and echo it out in the form, and to let the user that he's trying to update this status value. So we will go order, and we will go check out, and we will go find, and we're gonna find the ID. All right, so we can just copy this and pass it in, and we will go right here, and we'll make this edit orders like that. So save this, copy this right there, and go to the admins folder, and let's paste it in, go .blade.php. All right, so we want to go, actually, let's see, I want to go to all admins, I want to copy these lines, and I want to go right there and paste them, and I want to go end section. All right, and save. If we look at the design, you will not see any other files in the orders admin other than the show orders right here. So I did not even create a file for it. If you go for foods-admins, and if you go for create-foods, and let's go to the part of the form, and let's grab all of it. All right, so we can grab from div class row right there. Let's copy all of this, and if we go right here and paste this in. All right, so we want to go for the part for the form. So this will be name, price, image. We do not actually need any we will just go ahead and work with a select box like this, and that will be everything. So let me delete the rest of these inputs right there. So for this, I wanna just echo out actually the value of this. So status, we will just go something like this. Status is well, we can cut this, and we can go right here down and paste it like this. So we will just go paragraph right here to make this even look a lot more nicer. So we're gonna go status is, and we're gonna echo out that status. So we're gonna go order, and we're gonna go status like that. All right, so let's close this, and right here we will keep the name for this is simply status. All right, and the options, I'm just gonna make the options to be processing, for example. This is the default one. All right, and I also want to go delivering. Let's copy this. Let's go right there and paste. All right, so I want to just grab the right word to avoid any mistakes. Let's paste it like that. So this will be delivering and this will be delivered. So if I go right there and if I go deliver it like that, copy this, paste, delivered. All right, so I want to go and paste this in, also paste this and paste this like that. All right, so now it's fine for me. So I guess that this is everything for the form. Let's now save this. Let's go ahead right here and refresh. Did we even fetch? Yeah, we did not even fetch the part for the link right here. So I want to go to all orders. Down at the bottom, we need to go at the hashtag part and we need to send in. All right, so if we go back to the web right here, we need to send in this name. So go ahead, paste it like that. This should be route. Cut this and paste and go order. This is symbol is just the ID. All right, so yeah, save this. Should actually give us the IDs right there. So if you hover over this, you can see the ID is 8, the ID is 4, and here the ID is 3. So if we click on this, we should go to edit dash orders right here. So as you can see, status is processing right here. All right, so it's looking great. I want to actually go ahead. All right, so we can close this. We do not need it. I want to go to the edit page right now. Now you can just go make this bold. For example, is this tag even available right now? If we go ahead and refresh this, all right, so it's still available. And I want to change like a couple of things right here. So this will be update order status. All right, so the select is right there, so will be choose status. All right, so save this. Let's refresh now. All right, so as you can see, it's right over here. We can now choose one of those, but we need to do the logic first before we even try and work with this. So let me go back to the web and let me copy this and paste. So this will be a post, and this will allow us to simply update the orders. So we're gonna also send in the ID, and we're gonna hit the update function, the update orders function, and this will be orders.update like that. So save this. Let's copy this and let's go to admins controller, paste it like that. Let me copy this function. Let me go down at the bottom and paste it. So let's cut this. Let's go right there and paste. So we will send in the request since we're submitting a form, and we will also send in the request like that, and we should send in the ID since we're sending it right there at this part. All right, so right after this, I want to go ahead and I want to go order checkout, and I want to find this ID right here, and I want to right after this I want to go ahead order update like that. All right, and I'm gonna go request all. All right, so yeah, there we go. This will actually be everything. So just save this like that. All right, so I actually wanna, I don't want, yeah, I wanna go ahead and I wanna redirect back after I update, and I wanna go copy this. For example, I wanna go down at the bottom, paste it like that. So this will be order. All right, so So it will be redirect route, and I'm gonna go to the orders all. Route was a success right here, so this will be order updated successfully, something like that. Updated successfully, so just save. All right, so let's go ahead and grab the message right here from all admins, which is this message right there. Copy, and let's go right here. Well, we go back, and if we go to all orders, we want to go right here and you want to paste this in. All right, so save. All right, so everything looks cool right here. I want to go back to the form so I can finish this up. So there is the action. I want to go route, and I want to go edit or even update update.orders, something like that. So let me go back right there, and I want to go orders. Yeah, it's orders.update. All right, so paste, and let's go right here, and I want to pass in the ID. So let's do this, and the method right here is post, and the name in the select box, it's status. So as you can see, everything else looks cool for me. Let's save this. Let's go right here, CSRF. We almost forgot this, so save. Let's now go ahead and refresh this. All right, so if we try to choose, for example, delivering and click create. All right, so as you can see, order updated successfully. If we go down, it's not updating. If we go right here at the checkout, all right, so all of the statuses is basically processing. Nothing is changing, which means that there is something wrong with the logic. So if we go order right here, if we go to the checkout, and if we grab the ID, and right after this, we're simply doing the update. All right, so should we go like with another approach? For example, if we delete this, and if we go something like status, and if we go order, well, let's go request first and then go status, like that. Is it like going to work? If we go to the first one right here, change status, and if we go use delivering, if we go back, all right, so integrity status cannot be null. All right, so it looks like there is no kind of data that's reaching it. So let me just stop for a second. All right, so the problem is pretty simple. Well, actually, in the name right here in the select box, I made the status to be like this. Right, so it was just a very simple typo in the name. I need the status to be like that. All right, so I wrote the word wrong. So it's just, you know, if you did this mistake and you probably didn't, just go ahead and fix it with me. So yeah, I actually tried it out and it worked. If you can see, the last record right here is changing. It's delivering now instead of processing. So yeah, if we refresh this, for example, so as you can see, the status now is delivering. If we go and change this to delivered, if we click create like that, all right, so as you can see, order updated successfully. So as you can see, the status of it, it's delivered. We can also change like this one right here, which has the ID of 4, and change, and you know, instead of processing, we can go delivering like that, and we click create. All right, so this will be order updated successfully, as you can see, delivering right there. If we refresh the part right here, so right, so this is delivering right now. So yeah, it's working perfectly. I just want to go and I want to copy this word and go right there, and I want to change this so it will be update like that, all right, instead of create. All right, so as you can see, now it's update. So yeah, this will be everything right here, and I will see you in the next one.